Hello and welcome to Talk and Take, where each voice matters. This is Kamal and Panda along with Keshav from Our Media. Today we have the GOAT, the OG rock star of India, the man who started indie pop, the man who started Bollywood remixes in India. He has also been the judge on Hero Honda, Sharegama Pa, and many other music reality TV shows. He has also ruled the advertising world with some of the most popular advertising jingles over the last 3 decades, like Mango Fruity Fresh and Juicy. Welcoming the greatest Leslie Lewis, sir.
Hi, good to see you
Uh,
guys.
th- Thank you, sir. So, obviously, you being a musician, we will like start with the questions. So, how did you get into music? Like, what was the inspiration and what was the stuff that got you into music?
Okay, my dad, PL Raj, has been one of the biggest choreographers in Bollywood. So you would have seen movies like Sholay and Sargam, and, Kheke Pan Banaras, Dawn. So he's done all of that and huge amounts of it. So I grew up with music and art and dance and everything around me. And also, because he played tabla and Indian classical, so you know, I had a big exposure to the Indian classical dancers and singers and musicians, including Allah Rakha ji used to stay near my house. Zakir Bhai used to come and carry me when I was small. It's it's been a very so music has been around me. So I guess it just everybody said, "अच्छा तू dancer बने वाला है डैडी जैसा." So I said, "मुझे dancing नहीं बनना है." So I think I just took music. It would be my next option if I didn't want to be just like my dad in the dance category.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so talking about like, as you said that your father used to play tabla. So, how did you get the idea to fuse Western and classical music? And did you feel like it will be a success in the Indian category where it's like a conservative taste towards music?
So I know that I am very good at breaking the rules because I never learned the rules properly. So it's very easy for me to break the rules. But I think rules are meant for breaking without disturbing the ecosystem. And that's what I like to do. I like to break the rules without disturbing the structure. It remains intact, but if you broke into the rules, then you created something else. So, like maybe 5 6 years before Colonial Cousins happened, I was already doing fusion in jingles and stuff like that, and I was trying to get that kind of sound. It was in my head, and I remember my dad at that time telling me to एक लाइन हिंदी में गा ले एक लाइन इंग्लिश में गा ले लोगों को अच्छा लगे and I told him you're mad. I just laughed at him actually. It was stupid, one line in Hindi, one in that time, in the late 80s. And now when I listen to Colonial Cousins, it's just what he told me. One line in English, one line in Hindi, and people love it. So I think the whole idea, like I said, is not to disturb the system. Don't disturb the ecosystem. Keep music still like music. म्यूजिक को म्यूजिक रखे तो दिल तक पहुंचेगा. तो उसको ज्यादा स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर जाओगे तो देन यू स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग इट. और एनालिटिक्स में क्या होता है, यू गेट स्टक इन नंबर्स, देयर इज नो सोल. सो आई थिंक ये हमने डिजाइन नहीं किया बिकॉज हरिहरन ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडियन क्लासिकल बैकग्राउंड, बट ही ऑल्सो हैज बीन एक्सपोज टू वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक इन कॉलेज. ये वो I come from a Western background, but I've been exposed to Indian classical from my family backdrop, whatever. तो एक हमारा जो fusion हुआ था, it is very natural. We never try to create anything for anybody except for us. कि हमको अच्छा लगना चाहिए. So we made the music for us. We did it because we love it, and I think that's why everybody loves it because it's not designed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. About
there is a design sense. So everything that I might have composed and arranged it, and how to कब classical आना चाहिए, कब कौन सा beat होना चाहिए. Yes, so that's design, but that is in trying to achieve what you love. So yes, I have been a producer all my life. So I've been behind the construction of it, but without a Hariharan or without me in it, it can't become Colonial Cousins.
Sir, about that only, sir. Do you think that music theory is necessary to make great music?
I believe it's great to study and it's very good to learn and understand कि वो उसका structure क्या है, what are the pillars of it, what is the basic. उसको जब build up करोगे, then at a point you have to learn to let the book go. You can't be going according to the book after you come to a certain level. So to get you to a certain level, it's very important that you study and learn. But obviously, if you have studied and learned, by the time आप अपने level पे आओगे तो आपका एक background इतना solid ही होगा जो आपने सीखा हुआ है. अगर आपने सीखा नहीं है, so then to come to that level itself is very hard. Or you have to be naturally so interesting कि it doesn't matter कि क्या सुर लगता है नहीं लगता है, but wow, I just love this guy. I love his thing. Whatever it is, I love it. Like folk music, you listen to folk singers, and kitne so often they are not technically in tune, but they sound beautiful because the dil bol raha hai. So it's not always about sur. There are lots of things. Sur is a very key factor. उसके अलावा your emotions, your expressions, your that itself mixes with the sur and takes the sur thoda up and down. So when you get angry, don't you say, hey, kya you raise your pitch up, right? When you're sad, you say, nahi yaar, your pitch goes down. So are you besura?
Totally agree.
Or are you besura when you sing angry because you're a little sharp? Are you besura little flat गा रहा है मतलब वो लेकिन उसका मतलब दर्द भरा वो दिल है. So
That's just emotions. Yeah.
Emotion is the key. Why do you love Kishore Kumar? Why do you love Lata Mangeshkar? Why do you love Mohammad Rafi? Whoever. I'm just taking some names. It's the
So
emotion.
basically, you should go with your heart. Like if the music theory isn't also that important, like obviously it's important, but if you think that the tune is nice, but it doesn't accept the theories of music, so one should go with it.
Just to answer your question, which you asked me actually, um, yes, it is very important to study your craft, whatever your craft is. You want to be a chartered accountant, you better study your craft. You want to do music, study your craft. Whatever, you want to fly a plane, study your craft. It's very important to study your craft, which will allow you to take you to a certain level. After that, you have to let yourself breathe and bring your magic into it. So, yes, I agree, you should study your craft. But if you're going to be a singer, and this is something some people, I mean, there's no argument about it, कि गाना नहीं है तो सिंगर क्या गाएगा. अगर आपके पास गाना नहीं है और आप सा के बाद नेक्स्ट नोट कौन सा लगाओगे, क्योंकि कॉम्पोजिशन कंपोजर तो है नहीं. So सा के बाद what's the next note that you're going to sing? So you need a composition. So somebody is going to compose it. It could be the singer who has composed it. It could be another composer. But a composition is very important because without a composition, you have no song. Right? And the lyrics will come in and add lyrics will come and add magic to the composition. तो समझ में आए क्या बोल रहा है. But दिल को छूने वाली बात comes from the tune. And like I said, if there is no melody, every singer needs a song. So in studying your craft and then going, suppose you're a singer, it's very important to get a good song to sing. Either you compose it yourself or you get somebody to, but वो गाना लगना चाहिए लोगों को, फिर ही आपका voice वहां तक जाएगा. And the same thing with all instruments, with all music, I believe. It's what you're playing that's important, not what instrument you're playing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. So the next question is, sir, that how did you and Mr. Hariharan sir meet?
So I've been doing jingles for like 30, nearly 40 years now. And because of that, a lot of people have sung for my jingles, and Hariharan used to also sing for my jingles. So if I did a Hindi jingle or a Tamil jingle or a Malayalam jingle or something, I would call Hari, would also come and sing. He was one of the singers who would sing for my jingles. So we were waiting for the script. So we were doing a Hindi jingle and we waited for the script, और कोई script आया ही नहीं. We were waiting. तो उसमें we just started jamming. at the studio, waiting for the script कि script आएगा तो फिर काम करते हैं, जब तक रुकना पड़ेगा. And the script was supposed to be coming, like being phoned from Delhi, so we were waiting. And in that started a jam, which was really the first unplugged and the first jam that both of us did, and that is where we decided कि इसको कुछ करना चाहिए. And we decided we should go play live, because that time live music was not in the scene. We said let's take this music and let's go and perform live. I think that's amazing. You know, I should tell Hari, don't you think it'd be amazing to have a guy playing, you know, in jeans and standing and playing a ghazal and singing or whatever? It just looks cool. So all those thoughts and images is something, you know, that got converted later on into what you call pop music.
Yeah. Amazing.
So like, yeah, it's totally amazing. Like, how did you start it? Like, meet Mr.
Great
Hariharan sir, and like you started jamming and you got together, like, and like did live
Yeah.
shows. So
Yes.
the next question is like a follow up to the previous question. How and where do you get the inspiration for making songs? Like, talking about Mr. Hariharan and your chemistry, you guys were like, as you said, you were jamming and the chemistry was found. So other than that, how did you like? How do you get your inspiration, and from where do you get your inspiration?
So fundamentally, I'm a composer. Hari is also a composer, and I compose in my own style. You know, he composes in his own style. But when we decided to do Colonial Cousins, it's a concept. The whole music of Colonial Cousins, ये जो concept है ना, like I told you, it was on my head 4-5 years before. I was trying to do it. So when I met Hari, I said, here is the perfect guy who completely understands what I'm doing. And he's doing, like, from his part as an Indian classical singer, he's doing amazingly what I would love him to do, because this is what's going to make the magic. So I would end up composing something, or like Krishna ni begani baru. So Hari will sing something in classical कि ये हमारा एक classical चीज है, and I would take that and probably dark is coming round everybody and use the concept of Krishna ni begane baru, which in Kannada means Krishna's mother is telling Chota Krishna, baby Krishna, say, baby Krishna, मेरे पास आ जाओ जल्दी, come here, come quickly. Krishna ni,
Okay.
not Krishna but Krishna ni, Chota Krishna, begane baro, jaldi आओ मेरे पास. So using that concept as a comeback as Jesus, comeback as Allah, for us to teach the next generation, because all we can teach them is how to terrorize the next state, how to blow up the, you know, whatever, how to kill people. That's what we are showing them on TV. This is what we are teaching them. So we are not fit. So please come back as Jesus, Allah, Ram. I don't care. Come quickly.
So that very beautiful song, sir. I have listened to it. It's a very beautiful song. Yes.
Thank you.
Same here, same. So also, like you said, like we are not teaching the youth, like not properly teaching them. So
Correct.
do
We are
you
not
have
fit to
any
teach
advice?
them.
Yeah, we are not exactly fit.
I mean, look at
but-
what's happening with Palestine right now. You're not fit. What are you teaching the people? To hate other people? To, you know, that this is sovereign and that is not sovereign, and this is. I mean, that humanity is going for a toss. You know, what is happening? It's the same that I wrote the song in 1994. We had 2021, and a couple of weeks back, you see what's happening between Israel and Palestine. You say, like, where is
Where is
Ram?
humanity?
Jesus?
Yes, sir.
Where is Ram? Where is Jesus? Come back quickly. I'm still waiting.
So like obviously we can't predict the future, but obviously like me and Keshav being musicians, playing instruments, and also like creating music in like softwares like FL Studio and GarageBand. So
Right.
do you have any advice for the upcoming youth musicians? Like how should they follow up, and what are the paths that they can go ahead? Obviously, everyone is not blessed as all of us. So how do you also like empower? Like how do you want to empower the youth musicians?
I think the empowerment comes from within. If a guy says, "Mujhe, I love EDM, I just want to do EDM," he's going to take FL Studio and he's going to do what he can. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, plugins नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, but जो भी मेरे हाथ में, उससे मुझे ऐसा म्यूजिक बनाना है, because I just want to make it sound good. That's passion.
Sure. Yes.
And passion is your key driver. You can have all the tools in the world. If you don't have passion, you can't make music. You will just make beats and you will make things, but it won't move anybody. So, in my opinion, everybody has to find their own magic. If somebody says नहीं यार मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया लेकिन कुछ काम ही नहीं मिल रहा है, ठीक है, I think I'll join a bank, I'll work every day 9 to 5. ये म्यूजिक करके कुछ फायदा नहीं. So if a lot of people who look at music or whatever as a means to an end कि I should रोजी रोटी कैसी चलेगी, but हम लोग जैसे पागल लोग हैं, I used to do a show for 30 rupees. I asked for 50 rupees and nearly got thrown out of the band. But I said, no, 30 ठीक है. Why? Because I want to play, it's not the money. And at the end of the day, it's very important कि your passion has to drive you. If you're electronic music, use the electronic stuff, learn from there. Today, you guys are so lucky you have YouTube, you have everything, you have teachers sitting on YouTube showing you for free. Things that we used to die to learn and had to just figure out how to do it. Plus the equipment, it's all available online. You sit at home, घर पे आता है. अभी तो दुकानें हैं, you can walk in, buy guitars, drums. Oh man, we never saw all that. We were starved for all this stuff. So the passion was more. You have to be more passionate to keep yourself going. Today क्या है, ठीक है गिटार तोड़ दिया, कल जाके दूसरा लेते. Strings यार कौन से, मैं I don't use Diodaros, I use whatever. See, bro, we used to take our strings and एक महीने के बाद गिटार के स्ट्रिंग निकाल के गर्म पानी में बॉईल करके उसको साफ करके फिर डालते थे, because you couldn't afford it. You couldn't afford is one thing, couldn't even find a new pair anywhere else. It was not available. So this is what we did. So your own passion, if you're an Indian classical singer, you will learn what you have to do. If you're a sitar player or you're a drummer or bass player or tabla player, you'll do what you have to do. I cannot give you any formula. But the only thing I can tell you is, if you're not passionate, and especially in today's time when there is huge competition, that everybody wants to sing, everybody can sing, everybody's a drummer, everybody sab karte hain, and everybody is quote unquote awesome. That's the most deadly word that has completely destroyed a lot of the, not the industry, a lot of the benchmark of the industry. So when you say Indian Idol, India's number one singer, right? Indian Idol is India's number one singer, and India's number one singer. And then you say Lata Mangeshkar, India's number. Hello, excuse me, what are you saying? What are you saying? They say no, he's India's number one. She's also India's number one. It's like they're both awesome. Man, he's awesome. What is awesome? सबको ऐसा whitewash करके benchmark जो है ना of a certain level of what we call quality in your art. It might be music, painting, architecture, whatever it might be. That benchmark has gone down because everybody can do it. मैं तो गाता हूँ, आप भी गा सकते हैं. I'm great, you're also awesome. I have 20 fans, you have also 40 fans on YouTube.
कंपटीशन खत्म हो गया, ये कह सकते हैं.
कंपटीशन की बात नहीं है. I think the moment everybody can put their music, are free to put their music online and start your own channel, it's a great tool. It's a great, powerful tool. But if there is nobody out there to tell you कि भाई आपका ये ट्यून ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, I don't think people will love it. But you say, but I just composed it, it's from my heart. अरे हाँ ठीक है, आप आर्टिस्ट हो, समझते हैं. But I don't think we can put this product out in the market. And those were the guys from the record label, the A&R people, artist and repertoire manager, would be the guy between the record label, which is a business company, and an pagal artist who's us, and say, I understand you love this song, but it's not going to work, so let's find another song. Isko mat karo. Acha, okay, theek hai. And then he picks up a great song that you come up with, then the marketer and become number one, and then you say, what a big artist. But if the artist is allowed to do what he likes, he probably end up only pleasing himself. or 40 fans of his, but not 4 million. So उसमें क्या होता है कि because of YouTube now giving you the power to start your own record label, put up all your songs yourself, it's for free, there is so much music like that. A&R guy said ये ठीक नहीं लगेगा. It's all there on YouTube. Just go find and you'll find everybody's got compositions and everybody's got songs and everybody's composing themselves. Fantastic. That's great power. Bottom line is up is people listening to your song. So when you have so much stuff, after some time you want, like somebody like me, I love to hear new artists. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कोई यंग आर्टिस्ट है, कोई आई लाइक टू सपोर्ट देम. लेकिन आप कुछ अच्छा गाए, कुछ अच्छा म्यूजिक करे तो जो अच्छा है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आपसे आपके हिसाब से अच्छा ही है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इफ आई लाइक समथिंग आई प्रमोट इट. But today I'm so tired of going through YouTube to say, well, I can't, there's so much I have to go through which I get pakaud here listening to all this बेसुरा ये वो out of, मतलब अच्छा है लेकिन वो कुछ उसका वैल्यू नहीं है. वो आप भी करते, ये भी करते, वो सब करते. What is something special? I'm not hearing anything special. Why? Because I have to wade through so many channels before I find somebody who's so amazing then. But I don't have the patience anymore. So when people are searching for good music today, there is no such thing as good music. Everybody is good. Whereas in the earlier days, when it came out as records and albums, it was curated by the record company A&R manager saying, ये artist है, इसके 10 best गाने put it. Then the next, so they released 10 albums because they didn't want to put more money than 10 albums. So 10 album, चलो 10 lakhs per album we will put. उसका वीडियो बनाते हैं, ऑडियो बनाते हैं, 10 lakhs for one album, 10 artists, 1 crore you are putting down. उसमें से 2 artists या 3 artists amazing और 1-2 बहुत बेकार, nobody likes it, ठीक है, but they are not bad, just like the public is not in the mood to listen to that, maybe they are okay, उनका निकल गया, but at least 4-5 artists turn out amazing. So you are saying top 10 में से मुझे ये 4-5 अच्छे लगते हैं, बाकी के ओके. But today there is no top 10, there is top million. Are you even going to sit and listen to the million? No, because the content का जो the power of that content to keep you listening, to keep you excited, music has to excite you. Either it calms you, it has to do something to you. If it can't do anything to you, then it's boring. That is like elevator music. और बस मेरे पास सॉफ्टवेयर है, बीट्स है, कॉपी पेस्ट डाल दो, वन कुछ अंतरा कुछ भी. अच्छा यहाँ क्या 16 बार म्यूजिक डालते हैं, कौन सा म्यूजिक बाद में देखते हैं ना, अंतरा करते पहले, अरे उसका कनेक्शन क्या होगा, मुखड़े अंतरे का हाउस फुल कनेक्ट नहीं विल कनेक्टेड लेटर ना. वी गॉट 16 बार, विल डू अ सोलो सिंथेसाइजर सोलो डाल देंगे. अरे बाबा वो सोलो क्या होगा, वो कैसे होगा, वो कैसे अंतरा तक जाएगा, वो आपको आर्टिस्ट को लिसनर को वहां जाके छोड़ेगा अंतरे. So all those things are missing. Arrangement. That's because nobody knows how to arrange. I mean, even I don't know how to arrange in the true sense, because I was learning and I learned a lot and I know some of it. But I don't know all of it. But it's such an important art, and it's all the Bollywood. For example, वो जो पुराने गाने हैं that you hear Lata ji, Asha ji, Kishore, all of them singing are compositions by the great composers. But without those arrangers, they couldn't make that music sound amazing that you feel, and those beats and that kind of orchestration. And today you hear it and you say, wow, I like it. What do you like? I like the way the music is making you move along with it, because the song is great. Like I said, first thing, composition is the most important. So composer already composed, उसको आप शर्ट में डालोगे या टी शर्ट में डालोगे, शॉर्ट्स में डालोगे या जीन्स में डालोगे, that is what the arranger knows how to.
सर क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता, कह सकते हैं ना,
लोगों को पता भी नहीं है. Today everybody is doing everything. So I'm a composer means I don't know. It's real. For me, I like kind of break it down to composition, arrangement, producing, mixing, engineering, and I do all of it. So I understand the differences. But today a lot of people, they themselves don't know the difference of what they're doing. They're doing little of everything, but without, like I said, they've not learned their craft. I spent years working under people to, the biggest loss for most talented artists is there is no internship. They have never worked under anybody for 2 years, 3 years, where you really got a तगड़ा grip on. इनके पास मैं काम करके डेली काम करता हूँ, मुझे पैसे मिले नहीं मिले, I am just like a शिष्य. So I worked under X person for 2 years, 3 years, and I really learned the craft. Here they do 2 months under somebody, they work something, man, tomorrow I've got a gig, I've got a movie to go to, can I not come, can I come late tomorrow? And 2 months ke baad and then you put it on your CV that I worked with Leslie Rose. So people will think you're amazing, but 2 months mein kya seekha? Kuch bhi nahi. So there's a big difference for people who haven't worked under anybody. And today the thing is, no, I compose myself. I am myself the producer. I said, but work under someone, na. Learn to compose, learn to produce, learn to do, then become. नहीं, in 2 months I want to become. So उसमें how much have you learned? So आपका जो craft है, like I first thing in the beginning of this conversation I told you, your craft and your question. I said learn your craft till a point where you can then make it your own. उसके अलावा उसके आगे आप अपना छाप ला सकते हैं. बट आप 2 महीने में क्या क्राफ्ट सीखेंगे जो आप अपना छाप, आप खुद का छाप कहाँ से आएगा when you yourself don't know the fundamentals. So I think working under people, not with, which is today called collaboration. Collaboration के लिए that artist has to respect you artistically, not कि अरे इनके साथ काम करूँ तो इनके 10 million views है तो मैं उनके साथ गाऊंगा तो मेरे भी views बढ़ेंगे. नहीं, I really think that guy is a great singer, and I also sing really well. I mean, I like and he really loves my singing. एक साथ में गाना गाते हैं.
Mutual.
There has to be a mutual respect for each other's art, not numbers. And then there's a collaboration. Then there is a collaboration. But today, what I'm not talking about a collaboration. I'm talking about working for and under somebody you respect. And because that's a Guru Shishya way of doing it, right? You respect your Guru, you learn that पूरे दिन चलो पैर दबाओ ये करो, लेकिन उसमें पैर दबाते दबाते एक कहानी सुना दिया. Wow, you got information. That was Wikipedia for you, which is not on Wikipedia. You get my point? Stories that your Guru will tell you that because he was there, and he'll tell you the real story and not some Wikipedia story.
So basically, you want to say is that experience is the key, and grabbing the opportunities when it is the right time is the key. Because without opportunities,
yes. So all this is correct, but the way the system is being operated, the people who run the whole system are making you number dependent. So today, a corporate company will say, "Arey, I mean, I know an actress." Young actress, not done much work, but she's pretty good, and she had about 1 lakh followers, and she got selected to do a role in the movie. So she was very happy. Suddenly one day I said, "What do you do?" "Nahi yaar, they took some other girl." I said, "Kya ho gaya?" "No, I had no issue. I was fine, but they just took this other girl, and she can't act half as much as I can. I mean, she's not half an actress of what I can do." So I said, "Why did they change it?" I said, "Because she had 2 lakh followers." I said, "What?" She said, "Yeah, because they are figuring out for my 1 lakh followers, even if 5,000 people come and watch the movie out of 1 lakh, उसका 2 lakh में 10,000, तो उनका 10,000 tickets बिकेगा मेरा 5,000 के बदले. So they've already taken it.
टैलेंट को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं इसके वजह से.
तो आर्ट कैसा बनेगा? वो तोल मोल का हिस्सा भी अलग है ना. Nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying, I'm not fighting it. I'm part of it. Today I'm telling you that I'm creating new music, but unless I bring it out to the people, you talk about it, I talk about it, at sometimes the numbers have to reflect. Otherwise the corporate companies and whoever are sponsoring things look at numbers and say, इनको तो कोई follow नहीं कर रहा है. अरे बाबा, how can you say that nobody is following you? Just because you're not being followed on social media doesn't mean you're not famous. There are a lot of people who have got huge, 10 times more following than somebody who's got 10 lakh followers. But
Yes.
unke 5 lakh followers, it doesn't mean he's less. He just doesn't have the numbers on. But that doesn't matter. Social media today is ruling that space. And just like television was ruling the space before. And just like cinema was ruling the space. So I'm just saying that it's moving on in life. So it's a new animal. You have to learn it. And what I'm trying to do is keep my art together and still use social media to get it out to you. And in keeping my art together, at least I have control over my own songs and my own lyrics. I'm writing my own lyrics. I'm singing my own songs. I'm composing my own music. I'm recording my own stuff. I'm mixing my own stuff, and I'm releasing my own stuff. So now that is the power of what I told you that internet can do. But if you have great content, you will listen to my music. If not today, tomorrow. आज नहीं कल परसों कभी भी you can't keep a good song down. जब गाने को चलना है उसका टाइम आता है तो बराबर चलता है, बट वो आएगा ही नहीं मार्केट में तो किसी को पता ही नहीं.
नहीं
So
दे
I
रहे ना
have to
आजकल.
use the technology of social media to help it to take my creativity to the next generation. तो 90s में जो मैंने पॉप किया था, so songs like यारो दोस्ती, पल, परी हूँ मैं, जानम समझा करो, कृष्णा, सानी रापा, all those songs were brought to you by record labels, funding it and bringing the media, what was television, videos, and bringing those songs to you. In today's time, that system is not working. And today's record labels are still distributing like to the biggest level, but they're not doing that anymore because for them also their business has changed. It's all streaming, it's all kinds of things. So I'm saying if I'm not fitting in there, till I can fit in, the only way I can do is take my own music to you. So मैंने आपको बताया कि मेरा एक गाना आएगा. I told you,
हाँ,
right? At the end of this month
Yes,
also.
yes.
I'm telling you right now, I'm guaranteeing you're going to go and watch it. I'm guaranteeing you, even if you don't want to, but you will go and watch that one song. I know that. Why? Because I told you about it.
Yeah.
तो मेरा एक काम, एक व्यू तो हो गया आपसे. 1, 2, 4 करते करते, if you like it, you will go and tell some other friend or you share it. Or
Yes, yes.
But my point is, अच्छा ही नहीं लगा तो क्यों share करोगे? Because I told you you go and see it one time. उसके बाद ठीक है, लजी सर ने बोला था कुछ है, okay, not bad, okay. Or I thought it would be good, but it's okay. You're not going to help. You're not going to promote me. Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to promote me. You are my marketing agent. All my fans are my marketing agents. I'm making all the people who are my fans into my agents. To say, but I can only keep you as my fan if I can get you to appreciate what I'm doing. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको ये गाना अच्छा नहीं लगा ना, नेक्स्ट वाला आ रहा है नेक्स्ट मंथ, वो नहीं आ रहा है और एक आएगा, वो नहीं, कोई तो गाना आपको अच्छा लगेगा, बट आप देखोगे तो, सुनोगे तो you'll get it. So all I'm saying is, I have to build my own strategy, but I can only build it because I have fans. And those are my angels. Those are the people and people like you who will help me create a new base because I am going to become a new artist. Can you buy Leslie Lewis's solo albums? Hardly. Why? Because he was busy making music for everybody else. He was creating KK, he was creating Asha Bhosle, he was creating Sunita Rao, he was creating Alicia, he was creating Colonial Cousins, he was creating Coke Studio, but he has no time to create music for himself. Do you understand where I'm coming from?
Yes,
कि
sir.
अपने
Yes,
आप
sir.
के लिए मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, टाइम ही नहीं था. तो अब टाइम है, अब मैं अपने आप के लिए करूँगा. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सी सर, लेकिन आप तो लेजेंड है, आप, हाँ वो तो हूँ, लेकिन आपने मेरे शर्ट में देखा, आप टी शर्ट में देख रहे हो, क्या प्रॉब्लम? नहीं सर, आप तो जैकेट पहनना चाहिए बिकॉज यू आर अ सर. ऐसे हाँ भाई, वो तो जब वक्त आता है तो मैं जैकेट पहनूंगा, आप टी शर्ट में टी शर्ट शॉर्ट पहन के घूमो तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? आई एम कूल. नहीं सर, ये आपको शोभा नहीं देती है. वाई? बिकॉज आई एम सो यूज्ड टू सीइंग यू इन अ जैकेट. ऐसे
इमेज क्रिएट हो गई है ना.
तो आपको अगर वो इमेज देखना है तो आप 90s के म्यूजिक जाके सुनो ना. Why are you making me live in the 90s? Because people like you and your generation have never seen me. So I'm
Yes.
going to show you a side of me musically. I want to show India a side of me which India has never seen, because that side of me is going to present global music in a Hindi fashion, and I'm going to talk to the Hindi speaking audience. You know, I want to talk to the Hindi belt to say, भाई अब ये भी funky है, cool है, सुन ले. Because आपने सिर्फ लता मंगेशकर, किशोर कुमार, मोहम्मद रफी वही सुना. उसके अलावा you've heard like of late, what would you have heard? I mean, who are from Sonu Nigam all the way to Benny Dayal to all these? You've heard all that. What else? Have you heard anything else? आपको लगता है म्यूजिक वहीं खत्म होता है? नहीं. और हिंदी में सुनना है तो मैं सुनाता हूँ. मैं खुद लिरिक्स लिखूं. Everybody wants to know, sir, who wrote the lyrics? इसे मैंने लिखा है. But the thing is, I failed in Hindi in school, and I've never written a Hindi song in my life. But I want to talk. I speak Hindi, so I want to talk to the Hindi guy. तो जब I will write something, it will not be so heavy उर्दू की समझ में नहीं आता. But अगर वो गाना, it's a poetic song which needs a little bit of Urdu pana to it to give the romance, I'll write it. आशिक हूँ, आशिक तो लगता है ना थोड़ा, लवर हूँ तेरा तो अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है. You get my point? So yeah, I can be judgment. So the lyrics that I'm writing is because I want to talk to the Hindi people. आप मुझे लेस्ली लूज करके अंग्रेज बना दिया है. मैं इंग्लिश में गाता हूँ. Yes, I'm अंग्रेज by heart, but I'm very Indian in my soul. So why can't I talk to you? चलो आपको हिंदी में सुनना, मैं हिंदी में सुनाता हूँ. चलो. So now 2021 on, Global Hindi is going to sunaw you in Hindi. Songs that you have never heard because they're all brand new songs. But the music of the world, from rock to jazz to big band to bossa nova to funk to soul, it's all coming. And
Eagerly waiting for that.
I am also eagerly waiting to put it out. लेकिन एक गाना per month, उसका एक का वीडियो बनाना पड़ता है. Which artist puts one video out every month? Nobody. Yeah.
No.
So, but I am doing it. But even then, it's only only one song a month. I would love to put 5-6 songs a month. And I guarantee you will love all 5-6 if you like those genres. अगर आपको गजल अच्छा लगता है तो you listen to that type. If you like rock, you listen to this type. I have belief that if I tell people that I am coming out with the song, people want to hear it because you have created Yaro Dosti, you have created Pal, you have created Pari Humai, Krishna. They're going to know what is this new thing you're creating. And they're creating something new. Away from all that.
So,
but as musical as everything else. Because you can't let the music go away. And that is why I'm doing it all by myself and I'm not doing it under any label right now. Because once the labels also understand कि क्या कर रहे हैं, then they can come in and take the marketing process to the next level. Right now, they don't understand it because they want to do what चल रहा है. अभी चल रहा है तो उसमें already, XYZ is already doing that. Why do I need to do the same thing? And a lot of this I've done in the past. So अभी फिर से क्यों करना है? The sound might be a little different, but
सर अभी तो सेम आके सर थोड़े डल सा भी हो गया सर म्यूजिक जो आता है.
क्योंकि आर्टिस्टिकली आपको कुछ फ्रेशनेस नहीं मिला है. आर्टिस्टिकली एक फ्रेश, और हो सके वो नया फ्रेश आर्ट आपको पचे भी नहीं. You might not digest the new fresh art that might come. Maybe you might not like my song at all. I'm okay with that. But I know as a musician, and today I am Dr. Leslie Lewis. Sorry, don't have to say it, but I have a doctorate in music. I know that it is different from everything else. So मेरा खुद का confidence है कि मैं आपको कुछ अलग पेश कर रहा हूँ. आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, ठीक है. But मैं गारंटी देता हूँ 6 महीने बाद आप आपको सुनोगे. You come back to this song and you're going to love it because you will have grown by that time. Everybody is growing. सब साथ साथ में जा रहे हैं ना अपने स्पीड पे. तो अगर आपको you want to hear the current type of music, then you have to go and hear that somewhere else in the current space. But what I'm creating, I think, is the current space of tomorrow, like I did in the 90s. The Pari Humai, the Janam Samjha Karo was an independent song in the 90s, and it became so big they made a movie called Janam Samjha Karo, independent song. Yaro Dosti and Pal are not from movies per se. It's an independent album. Pari Humai is an independent album. So I'm talking about creating independent music in a world full of Bollywood, and nothing wrong with Bollywood. I love Bollywood, and if these songs in Bollywood, it might have become much bigger. बॉलीवुड का अगर सपोर्ट ये गानों को मिलता,
Number two.
तो
Yes.
maybe the new songs that I'm doing tomorrow might come out somewhere, might come on OTT, might come in a film, might just be on my YouTube channel. But if you want to listen to the song, yeah, you go to Spotify, go to Ghana, go to JioSaavn, whatever, it's going to be there everywhere. And
So like
honestly, half the time I think the whole problem is the videos. Very few videos make you want to hear a song again. Very few. You will remember the song because of the video. But if 100 songs come out, there are only 10 videos you remember. There are 90 that you can't remember. But I'm sure in the 90 there are some great songs. But you got distracted with the video and Gana bhi gaya, video bhi gaya. But if you go on to Spotify and whatever and you listen to the song, you may say, hey, this is a great song. I like this groove, I like this beat, I like whatever that might be. So, because my music is about music, it's about audio.
Emotion.
Radio has to play it. I guarantee if it plays on radio, you will get hooked. Why? Because it's music. And if I'm making a music video, yes, we hope sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work as well. But like I'm saying, for every 100 videos, there are only 10 videos that really catch your attention. And you remember the song because of that, and that's why you go, and you like the song also. But 90 of them go by. 90 videos pass you, and na gana yaad rehta, na video yaad rehta. But if there were no 90 videos and you just had to hear it on radio, you might have liked a few of those songs. So, yeah.
totally.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So talking about the new song we all of are eagerly waiting to hear out. Guys, please check out Sir's like streaming services channel and YouTube channel for the same. Ending on a like very beautiful note, excited for Global Hindi. This is Kamalan Panda signing off with Keshav, and thank you to Mr. Leslie Lewis, sir.
थैंक यू. मैंने अपने बारे में बहुत बात की, बट ये क्या है, सब भाषण है, हिंदी में है. अब जाके गाना सुनिएगा तो मे बी कुछ समझ में आएगा.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
सिर्फ हिंदी इंग्लिश में बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता है. Listen, let the music talk to you, no?
Let the music do the talking.
Yeah. Keep your mouth shut and let the music and press play.
Guys,
So great. Thank you.
thank you for tuning in and
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
Lovely being with you all. And please check out Choda Tune, which will come soon. And yeah, like and subscribe to the channel. Abhi I sound like a marketing guy, but करना तो पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कौन like करेगा, कौन subscribe? Somebody's got to do it. So sometimes you can say it and sometimes I can say it and we'll all say it together. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.